Welcome back to the Code Engineer. In today Python tutorial, we are going to learn about Welcome back to the Code Engineer. In today Python tutorial, we are going to learn about the next operator, relational operator or comparison operator. The name itself we can easily identify. Compare two values. That is the main objective of this operators. Operator is to compare two values. It returns the Boolean value. The Boolean means true. The true or false value will be the output of this operator. The operators are equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Example 5 equal to, normally it is a true, the output will be true. 5 not equal to 3, actually it is also true, the output will be true. 7 greater than 4, it is true, the output will be true. 3 less than 1, condition is false, the output will be false. 8 greater than or equal to 8, it is true. Actually, the greater than or equal to means the value equal to or greater than. It is the meaning of this condition. We will check the greater than or equal. If satisfy, if any one true, the output will be true. Here, 8 equal to 8, so it is true. And now we will check less than or equal to. Less than or equal to means less than or equal to. Now we will check both the condition. If any one true, the output will be true. It is 6 less than 9. It is true. Only to check equal to. So the output will be true. Now we will check some of the other examples. For example, 3 less than 3. Actually, it is false. Same as 5 greater than 5, also false. 3 less than or equal to 3 will be true because we can check the value is less than or equal. We can check the value will be equal, so it is true. Same as 10 greater than or equal to 10, it is true because it is value will be, it is not greater, it is equal, so it is true. Suppose I am going to add 0 here. Now the greater than or equal to, it is not greater, it is a lesser value here, so it is false. Okay, thank you. The output will be true or false Boolean values. Relational operators are mainly used in many programs. We can compare two values. We are using relational operators, so you can concentrate what is the result of the relational operator. Simple examples are relational operators, so we can compare two values, which one is bigger, which one is smaller. For example, I am going to compare the age is eligible for vote or not. So some of the examples for using relational operator we will see in future. Now we will see example for relational operator in Visual Studio Code. Now we will see example for relational operator, a relational operator or comparison operator. Compare two values. Now we will check print equal example 3 equal to 3. The output will be true. Now we will run this code. The output will be true. Suppose not equal. I'm going to check the value not equal. 4, it is not equal to operator. 4 not equal to 3. Actually, it is true. Suppose I'm going to change 3 here. 3 not equal to 3. It is false. So we will run this code once again. The output will be false because 3 and 3 are not equal. It is equal. So output will be false. Now only one I'm going to check greater than. Is greater value. 10 is greater than 3. Actually, the statement is true. The output will be true. Suppose I'm going to change 10 is greater 30. It is false. The output will be false. Going to check lesser than. The operator is 5 lesser 3. Actually, the statement is false. Now we will check the output. It is false. Suppose I am going to give 1 here. 1 lesser 3. Actually, it is true. The output will be true here. Now we will go to greater than or equal. We'll check it is greater than or equal. Now we'll example. It is greater than. The output will be true. We know already what is greater than. Suppose it is equal. The output will be true. It is a greater value or equal to value. We will check that two condition. That's why we can hear or is a greater or equal. It is equal. So the output will be true. Suppose I am going to change the value 10 greater. It is not greater. It is equal. It is not equal. 10 not equal to 100. So the output will be false. Same as lesser than or equal to. Less than. That is less than. Now change the operator. 10 less than or equal to. Actually, 10 less than 100. It is true. We'll check the output. It is true. Suppose I'm going to change 105 less than or equal 100. 105 is greater than 100. So it is false. We'll check the output. False. Can understand the value less than the value greater than the value. First we can check greater than or less than. Suppose it satisfies, it is true. Or otherwise we can check one more, it is equal. Can check the two condition here. The value is greater or equal. That's why it is a greater than or equal to. These are some of the operators. Here one more. Suppose here greater 10 Greater than 10, it is a false. We will check the output, that third statement greater, run this code, 10 greater than 10, 10, 1, 2, 3. The output will be false. Once again, I will check a less than 3, less than 3. The output will be once again false. Why? I can say because the same value will be greater than or less than, the output will be false. Suppose the same value be greater than or equal or less than or equal, the output will be true. It is a true means equal to operator is there means it is true. There is no equal to operator, the output will be false. And this code, it is false. So thank you for watching. This is a relational operator. It is important operator in your programs. You can learn. If you have any doubts, you can comment. Thank you.